Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Today I'm going to show you how to make birthday cake slime or confetti slime. Are they the same thing? I'm not really sure, but I thought this is the perfect month to make it since March is my birthday month. So I'm starting off with white glue and I'm just going to be making plain white slime. I'm not going to add some color since I realized I haven't made white slime on my channel yet. So now I'm adding some shaving cream or shaving foam, and this is optional. You don't really need to make it a fluffy slime. Like, you can make it any type of slime you want essentially. So I'm just choosing to make fluffy slime. And yeah, now after I add the shaving cream and shaving foam, whatever, I mixed everything together. And for my slime activator, I'm using liquid starch and I'm just pouring that into the mixture until it becomes slime. And you want to do it a little at a time because I've learned it the hard way. If you get a little impatient, which, you know, I do it too. I get really impatient. I end up pouring a lot at a time, but then it becomes hard and the slime just is not stretchy at all. So if you want it to like be stretchy and not so hard, you just gotta be patient and add a little bit at a time and stir slowly until it's not sticking to your bowl, and then you're good to go. So after the slime is done, you can add the colorful styrofoam balls, and I will leave a link down below of where I got these. So I'm just pouring it on top. There's many different ways of how to add the balls. You can have like a bowl full of all of the balls and add the slime on top, or you can have the slime already in the bowl and then just add the balls on top, whatever you want. And now I'm just basically just squishing the slime. Wait, you guys, I can't talk today. What I mean is I am just pushing down the balls so that it's fully immersed into the slime and so that it will stick and become a beautiful birthday cake confetti mania. Something that I have to tell you guys is when I was spreading the colorful balls onto the slime, I just really love the texture. I don't know what's so satisfying about it, but I absolutely love it. So now you can either just let it sit for a few hours. I let it sit for almost 12 hours and all of the styrofoam balls rose to the top. I love this feeling. It's so satisfying and crunchy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Don't you